Welcome to SMDC Charm Residences located in Cainta, Rizal. Kung ikaw ay isang OFW na naghahanap ng passive income or business na hassle-free, ito ay para sa iyo. Ang tanong, paano ka nga ba kikita sa condo rental business na ito? So just like hotel, pwede kang kumita ng daily rental ng 3,000 to 3,500 per night. We will transform your condo unit into a hotel unit accommodation. Good thing about SM Development Corporation or SMDC, they allow unit owners to rent out their unit. Papagandahin natin ang unit mo para mas maging attractive sa mga guests. Your guests can also enjoy the swimming pool and other amenities. Meron tayong partner na property management which is our home staycation by SMDC na pwedeng tumulong sa mga unit owners na magparenta, mag-manage ng mga operations sa rental business nila. Sila na ang bahala sa daily operation.